Yes, good morning, friends. How are you all? Today we are going to talk about cloud computing in nutshell. Okay, so let's start the topic. First of all, we will discuss that what is cloud computing. Okay, the term cloud refers to a network or the internet. What the term cloud refers to a network or the internet. It's a technology that uses remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and access data online rather than local drives. Okay, the data the data can be anything such as documents, audio, video, images, files, and more. Okay, so there are following operations that we can do using cloud computing. First, development of new applications and services. Okay, storage, backup, and recovery of data, hosting blogs and websites, delivery of software on demand. Okay, it's very important, delivery of software on demand, analysis of data. Okay, streaming videos and audios. Okay, so if a question comes in the examination that what do you mean by cloud. Okay, so we have to define in this way that the term cloud refers to a network or the internet. Okay, it's a technology that uses remote servers on the internet to store, manage, and access data online rather than local drives. Okay, next, why cloud computing? Okay, see, small as well as large IT companies follow the traditional method to provide the IT infrastructure. That means for any IT company we need a server room. That is the basic need of IT companies. In that server room there should be a database server, mail server, networking, firewalls, routers, modem, switches, QPS. It stands for query per second, means how much queries or load will be handled by the server. Configurable system, high net speed, and the maintenance engineers. Okay, see, to establish such IT infrastructure we need to spend lots of money to overcome all these problems and to reduce the IT infrastructure cost. Cloud computing comes into existence. Okay, so this